Hello friends, Running Kimono here with a crackle in my voice. I have another curbside video for you. I know that a lot of you are snowed in or the roads are not that great. I made a first part of this yesterday, so this is part 2. You're hitting the box on the left hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff through a cell phone, desktop computer, or your phone. Pick one, and then driving to the store and get it. You have up to 3 days. With the bad weather, they might extend pickups as well, so don't be shy to always ask for an extension. Now, this is the first video I made on Monday about curbside pickups. If you want to check it out, if this stuff kind of piques your interest a little bit more. But there's just so many deals with Friends20 this week, the code, that I just came up with more deals. Now, with shopping over at Walgreens, if you are more of a shopper that likes to do register rewards and you like to see what's actually in store, I went in store on Sunday. Please check out this video linked at the very end. So I'll have part 1 and this at the very end. So deal number 1, it is involving IBOTTA and this rebate. So you have to double, triple check to ensure that you have this rebate, which is $5 back when you buy 2 of the raw sugar items. Now, if you look in the fine print, it excludes lip balms, healing powder, masks, sugar scrubs, and the 3-ounce body wash. That 3-ounce body wash is in the app on clearance, so don't get fooled by it, because I almost got fooled by it. So just really be aware that, the devil is in the details with Ibotta. So the promotion with raw sugar is buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash, which is really nice. And the Friends20 code is actually attaching to said product. Take a peek of my basket. I have 2 lemon sugar body washes, and they are the 25 ounces, so 1.6 pounds of body wash for $7.18. I think I just won the coupon lottery with that one. Raw sugar is a really great product as well if you've never tried it. It's just fancier body wash. I'm also going to throw in one of these kids because I had a hard time finding a third item. And this is also on the promotion of buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I grabbed this kid's shampoo. At the overall basket is $13.17. I used the code FRIENDS20, so $2.64 off. My curbside pickup is free. I have a bit of tax, so $11.16. I, in theory, can use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.16, and I'm getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus I need my receipt. So very important, when you're at checkout, you ask the cashier, hey, can you ring this up on a regular machine and not use the handheld, because I need a receipt, and a receipt will get printed if they run it through a regular cash register. If you know, get that receipt, photograph it to Ibotta for an extra $5 back, so it makes it like $1 for 3 or 33 cents per body wash or shampoo. Okay, so for deal number 2, we're going to use this booster. So if you still have it, use it. And this is of a one-time use. So if you used it earlier in the week buying Tide or something else, it's a one and done, guys. So apologies in advance. I'll be grabbing a whole host of chic razors and creams and those good things. They're on this promotion of spend 20, get back 5. And you can use Friends20, that code with it. And it's also BOGO 50% off. Little pop quiz for you. When you see the word spend X, get back 5, you must pay for the balance with your debit or credit card. And with the booster, you have 2 stacked together. So let's remember that. So just jogging through the group of items that we're going to grab. One of these ladies, Chic Intuitions for $12.99, a fabulous razor, my favorite. We're going to load this $4 digital coupon. As you can see, it expires in 3 days, so there's a little ticker saying use it right away. The men's Chic fancier razor for $5.99, 50% off, and a Bulldog shave gel for $7.79. Load the following digital coupons: the $4 off for the Bulldog and another $4 off for the men's Chic razor, this one. Just to show you the pretty little chorus line, all your $4 coming off. So that's $12 in digital coupons, and Friends20 is taking off another $2.96. So your overall total is $26.77, and then $2.96 coming off. It's not going to affect your total because you're well over $20. free curbside pickup, and your $12 in digital coupons melting off right there. You're going to get back $5 for the promotion and another $5 for that booster. So it makes it a really good deal. Not factoring in the tax, it's like 60 cents per shaving item. So that's really fantastic. And why my balance is a little bit different is because I've already used my 5 back when you spend 20 booster. Good luck with these deals, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.